Hi all, in this video we are going to see how we will create Seqrite Endpoint Security Client Packager for a Mac operating system. We know that to create a client packager, we need to visit Endpoint Security Server of Seqrite. So now I am in my Endpoint Security Server, and here from Start menu, when you come down, you can find Seqrite Endpoint Security Console 7.60 folder. Under that, you can find Client Packager tool. This is the tool that we use to create a client packager. So for easiness, instead of following this step, you can even search using this search option by entering client packager keyword. So it will provide you the search result. Directly you can open it, or you can choose run as administrator. Now I am clicking on run as administrator. So we got one window over here. This is the window which will tell us to select some of the options to complete the packager creation process. So first of all, we need to choose custom type here. If we choose minimal, we would require internet connection to download the agent and AV. But for Mac operating system, minimal mode is not applicable. So that we need to choose custom over here, and OS platform should be Mac operating system. Then it is asking us to select antivirus included, yes or no. If we select yes, you cannot distribute this installer through email. It can be used for client installation in local network. If we select no here, this installer can be distributed through email and it can be used for roaming client installation. As of now, I am selecting yes because my installation is going to be local. And after installing Endpoint Security Client in a Mac operating system, under which group you wish to manage it, that you can choose over here. I am managing it under default group. If you wish to manage it accordingly, then go to browse and select the group that available groups from your EPS console will be showing here. You can choose it accordingly. Now I am selecting default and clicking on OK. Now here we are asking to download Mac client build from any of the below URL. In order to create a setup file, you would require this Mac client build. So any link can be selected to download it. As of now, I have this Mac client build downloaded in my desktop. You can see that mclsetp.7z, that is the file I have. So I am just browsing that path in my system. So I am just selecting desktop and clicking on OK here. So that path of the downloaded build is browsed over here. Then I am selecting validity. So validity is an optional thing. You can either enable or disable it. I am enabling it, and you can see here minimum 30 days to maximum 180 days. If the packager is created with a validity, the packager will expire after the specified time period, and the administrator will have to create a new packager for further installation. So I am selecting 180. And here one more option is provided. If you have a public IP or host name with your endpoint security server, you can enable this option so that any remote location, from any remote location, we can install the client. That is the benefit of this. So as of now, we are not enabling it as we are doing the installation locally. So now we can click on create button. It will take some time and show us a message that it is created. So let's wait for a while to get that message. Yes, we got a message that mcclagav.tar has been created successfully at C program file 86 Seqrite endpoint security 7.60 admin web build AC Mac folder. So we created this client packager including antivirus. That is why it is showing mcclagav.tar. If it was just an agent, it will be showing in a different name, mcclagnt.tar. So as of now, it is mcclagav.tar. So let's find it in that path. I already have the folder here. So in this path, you can see the tar file available. And so you just need to copy and extract this particular tar file on a Mac endpoint and run the mclagnt.dmg file. We can I'll repeat that file, mclagnt.dmg file from that extracted folder that you need to execute, and thus you can install EPS Mac client successfully. So this is the process of creation of packager for Mac operating system, and finally by executing that particular file from the folder. That file name is mclagnt.dmg, that you can execute and install the client in a Mac operating system. Thanks for watching this video.